All right, we got Natalie here. Natalie, what's going on, Natalie?
I've had this for about 2 weeks. I put this on my hair, just a little bit. I put it on my face, and then with the excess, I put a little bit more drop, put it on the ends, and then it curls it real nice. Because I have naturally curly hair, but it moisturizes it to where the curls just look bomb.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now what's happening over here? What are you getting done?
I need a refill.
She's gonna get a refill. One of our first refill customers.
Okay.
All right, getting a refill on. Yay!
Is that your first refill?
Yeah, it really is. All right, Natalie. Well, thank you for loving Nigel's Jamaican almond oil.
It is not hard to love.
Okay, and we got you refilled, girl. Yay! All right, thank you.
Recycle, reuse, right?
That's right.